My name is Sofia Vergara.
Cute.
¡Vivan las colombianas!
Yeah.
If I medicine you, I'd make a brain tumor look like a birthday present.
The award for Panda goes to Helium.
Oh, thank you. I'm so honored. It is the most fantastic thing I've ever... I want to thank my whole crew and my husband. I love you, darling. I love you very, very much.
Do you ever want to go to space?
I really shouldn't be doing this.
It is helium.
It's very undignified.
No.
Hi, my name is Demi Moore.
What is the name of your new movie? It's a comedy.
So the name of the movie is Rough Night, and it's about a bachelorette party. And the girls in it are really amazing.